What's happening, guys? It's your girl XOXO Asian. I'm back with another video, and sorry I have not been posting, but yeah, just because my phone's taken away and I cannot be posting because I don't have any ideas. But today, since I was learning this thing over when I haven't been posting, I actually decided I should do it. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. Yes, I know how to do it. No lies for me, no lies, no pausing video or nothing like that. I solved mine. I'm just going to be solving one side, and that's basically it for today's video, basically. So yeah, oh yeah, this is my outfit. I got one of this with shorts and like some shoes, or like that. So yeah. Well guys, we're eating some Chinese food. It's good. I love Chinese food. So we got 3 things of Chinese food and more. And we got so many sauce. It's not even 8 of sauces. God. But we're not gonna be worried about that. It's gonna be some more. So this is mine. This is the one. And so I'm just gonna mix it up. You guys just be messing it up. I'm not going to be solving this side, so I'm going to be solving the other side. So guys, basically you want to get 1, 2 on the other side. And want to find till you find another one. And you find one. I found one on all 3 of them. All 3 of them basically. So then you want to take that one right there. And you're going to just find it until it gets stuck over there. But if you can't find it, then you're going to put it back. And then you're going to put it over there. And then maybe you're going to put it back. And then after that, guys, you got to put that one over. And it's going to be right there. So then now you got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So you get that one over there like you did with the last time. And basically keep twisting it till you find it. But if you can't, then you're just going to put it back where it went. At first, now you got 1, 2, 3. I meant 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then you want to go like that. So then, guys, first of all, it was okay, guys, this is going to be difficult. Understand? So you guys can actually see. So then right here. So now I'm going to change it up and I'm going to do the orange. So then basically you want to get it on all of the sides. Basically literally on all the sides. And then I'm just going to change it over here. See if I'm going to find any. But it seemed like I did. So then I'm going to put it right back and put it right here. So then just none. Then guess what? I'm going to put it right back and then I'm going to get over here. Basically, you want to do the same for literally all of them. But if it doesn't work, you want to just go back over here. And then now up there, so when you put it up there. There you go. Now you solve one side of your Rubik's Cube. Short video, but worth it. How to solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. And guys, I didn't switch out ones because this one's basically like that. I'm going to try to solve all the colors. I'm going to try to solve blue. Blue. I'm not solving the whole entire thing. I'm just solving because my friend told me the whole entire thing. But basically that. So then. Okay. No signal of it. Okay. I'm gonna try to hurry up too because I don't want this video to be that long and stuff. So don't ask why I don't want the video to be long. Because I don't want the video to be long. And there go the answer to your question. If you already trying to ask it, I don't want video to be long. And guys, it's almost my birthday, so try to comment down below if you can guess my birthday. If you can guess my birthday, you'll get a shout out. Is the camera on the wrong way? Is this the right way on the camera? If it's not, then I'm sorry. I'm going to watch the video. See if it is. Okay. It's up there, so now I'm going to put it back. Put it down up there. Up. Blue side. So I solved the green. And then now I'm solving the blue. Now I'm going to just solve red. Just like this. Let's get it. And so then you want to go over here. Don't y'all just hate when other people just post other people's videos they didn't even make? Like my friend, this girl in my school, she just posts other people's video of somebody else just to put on her channel because she does not want to show her face. Like, then why do you have a channel if you're not gonna show your real face? And everybody really think it's her, except the people that go to my school. They know it's not her. But she actually looks pretty, for real. Guys, she looks pretty. Not slang. This girl looks insanely. She looks mad pretty. Like, she's pretty. Pretty. And then she does not like to show her face. Shit. Here's what two. The red one is pretty tricky, but I got it. Okay, let me just do this one. Red. Now I'm going to do green. Basically, guys, this video is going to be called how to solve all the colors. But I'm just showing you this because, guys, you guys might want to solve the color but you guys might want to solve the one that I'm actually doing, the ones that I was going to pick. So I'm just going to be teaching you how to solve some of the colors that I actually picked. So guys, comment down below for the next video so I can be more active more. So, yeah. It's just some freaking music while you okay, no, I love music. She shouldn't be listening around that in my camera. That song I think your girl fell in love with me. She said my time forever leave. Before you watching this video, do your parents watch a YouTube video channel? Cause my parents watch mine. They don't just watch it just to see if it's bad. They just watch it because I just showed you. Because I like, why did she show her parents a YouTube channel? Because I can. So white and then yellow, then I'm done. White and then yellow.
Oh, you know, just regular old ski stuff.
Well, since you're not busy, why don't you help me make a cake?
Yeah, sure. What do you need?
I got a pocket kid.
It says 3 parts wheat, which I think I saw fielded it just over that hill.
Are you sure it's that hill and this one instead?
Huh?
Why travel all that way when I just happen to have some already?
Oh, perfect. Okay, so now for 2 parts sugar.
Does it say anything about 3?
The book is very specific on it being only 2 parts sugar.
Alex, I have your sugar and your sugar for you and your sugar right here. I'm putting it right here, Alex, right here. What next?
Calm down there, kiddo. Next up is next.
One perfect egg coming right up. This, give one of these. Done. Now what, Alex? Now what?
I do not know what my brother's watching.
Okay, that's 3 delicious buckets of milk coming right out. 3 very hard buckets of milk as requested.
And that's it. We've got everything we need to make this perfect.
It's probably like, why is it taking her forever? Because it is. That's my answer. Because it is. If it is, it is. I'm hungry.
Maybe it should be,
I'm gonna fix me something to eat. I'm hungry. Ain't no good time to be solving this Rubik's Cube all day. But I love my channel. You're the one that got me to barely subscribers. Sorry guys, I had to admit that. Yes, my channel. They're not even trying to share me. None of y'all even trying to share me or give me shout outs on YouTube. That's how I want to go. That's how I want to. None of y'all even trying. Why are y'all not trying? Y'all not even trying. I'm not saying that y'all got to, but like, y'all not even trying. Like, y'all not even trying. Like, I'm not trying to like be rude or something, but like, I've never seen a person share me on YouTube. I have to share myself on other social media, and it's just sad to me. y'all be sharing Panting Kids or something like that. I don't know. Y'all be sharing these other YouTubers. And stuff. Why not share me? I'm a YouTuber too. I know I'm not famous, but y'all can still just share me to be nice or something. But then I'm not trying to be picky. Like, oh my God, this person needs to share me. I'm gonna beat them up to like half death. I'm not trying to be like that. I'll just be talking about random stuff on my YouTube. But yeah, so like basically like yeah. Oh my God, why is it so hard to start? Oh yeah, I'm gonna come back to it because it's taking me forever and it usually doesn't. Now I know it's all that one. I'm gonna try the yellow now. I'm gonna try the yellow now. Really quick. Then we'll go back to the white.
Okay, I think I know what I said.
Okay. So to be clear, we built a fireplace in a house made of wood.
Yes. Honestly, Alex, I don't get what's so hard to understand about building a little fireplace in my little house made of wood. Oh, I get it now.
Don't worry, Steve.
It's so sad to see something you worked so hard on go up in flames.
I'm sorry to hear that, Steve. How long did you spend on it?
Like a whole 30 seconds.
You stole my map, didn't you?
I may have stolen your map, yes. Oh, Alex. Present for you.
Oh, Steve, you should have. What is it?
It's a seasonal gift, typically wrapped in paper with a bow on top. But that's not important right now. Well, go on, open it and find out. It's me. I'm again.
Done. I'm gonna go back to white real quick. Then the video gonna end. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and like this video and share my channel, please. That's all I'm asking for y'all. It's just to share my channel. All you guys gotta do is just share my channel for a shout out. Comment down below when you share my channel and for a shout out on my channel. So, on my musical, because y'all go see my fans on my musical, you gonna really want to shout out me before you miss all the goodness.
It's almost like they moved.
Moved?
Can you show me?
They're alive?
Show you what? Show you what?
My film of this.
Alex,
Can you please show me?
Show you what?
That's my film of this. My film. That's it. You know what I mean.
Their son, do you?
turn it off and find out.
So I don't give people stuff all the time because they're being rude to me. Stop being rude. I can show you in a second. Let me do my video first. God.
You don't think there's somebody controlling us? Do you?
God, guys, it does not take this long. I don't know why it takes so long.
Now's the perfect time.
Done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Peace. I'm gonna name my new thing. What's up, Asia gang?